Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from TikTok. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your profile right here at the bottom right. Just tap on it. Now, once you're in here, go to the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Okay. Tap on it. And as you can see here, we have this option called balance. All you have to do is just tap on it and then just wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, all right, as you can see here, we have this card. All right, just hit on next, next, next. Okay, so in here, tap on your estimated balance. All right, we have this view button. Tap on it. Tap on PHP or USD or whatever currency it is set to your phone. Okay, and then what you would do here is that you're just going to want to tap on the withdraw button in here. All right. And do note that there is a $100 withdrawal limit. All right. Just hit on withdraw and enter your payment method. And once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.